Guys, this kare-kare burrito is so good. Plus, dito ko rin natikman yung one of the best salmon ceviche I've ever tried. It's super fresh, a little bit tangy and spicy. Talagang hindi nakakasawa. And apart from that, meron pa silang iba pang nagsasarapan na Mexican and Filipino dishes. And even before kami nakapag-visit sa kanila, considering na bagong bukas lang ito, ang dami ko na nakita nagpo-post ng photos and videos about them. Kaya naman pag uwi namin after ng bakasyon, nagpunta agad kami dito.
Excelente!
O, sino ka dyan? Feel na feel, diba? This is Cantina El Pacho. Along MacArthur Highway lang siya, located sa Marisol beside Phoenix Gas Station. Meron siyang parking lot at napakaganda ng vibe, guys. Look at that. Open from 5 p.m. to 12 midnight, pero pag Fridays and Saturdays hanggang 2 a.m. And then close sila kapag Monday. They serve a good assortment of cocktails and mocktails, tapos yung food nila for the most part, good for sharing. Ito yung mga order natin at ang una kong tinikman agad ay itong kare-kare burrito kasi I was very curious. I just drizzled more of that kare-kare sauce and a little bit of bagoong before taking a bite. And it was so good. Kompleto talaga yung kare-kare components niya. Meron siyang talong, pechay, sitaw, and meat on the inside. And very tasty yung kare-kare sauce. Eto next naman, perfect as a snack and good for sharing lalo na if you're eating with a group. And by the way, I'm loving this sour cream dressing. Isunod naman natin itong Mexican chicken with grilled corn, tapos marami rin siyang cheese on top. It's seasoned really well and also has a slightly smoky flavor. Kung naghahanap ka naman ng rice meal, ang sarap nitong Mexican pork steak, tapos meron ding vegetables and salsa on the side. Malambot yung pork steak, tapos meron torch cheese on top, and the rice is really flavorful. Must try itong kanilang carne asada quesadilla. The beef is so tender and the Mexican spices are there, pero hindi overpowering. And nagustuhan ko itong spicy mayo na dip niya. Syempre hindi mawawala yung birria, and I'm really loving that toasted tortilla. And I mean, at this point, we were already blown away by the food that they served us. We were enjoying the vibe of the place, tapos unti-unti nang dumating yung marami nilang customers. And like I said kanina, they also serve cocktails and mocktails. And you can definitely ask their staff kung ano yung perfect pair ng drinks sa mga ino-order niyong food. For dessert, meron tayong turon a la mode. Syempre palagi naman winner yung contrast nitong crunchy and hot turon with that cold and rich ice cream. Ito namang isa is sticky rice na merong coconut sauce, mint leaves, peaches, at maliliit na leche flan. All in all, we had a really great dinner experience dito sa Cantina El Pacho. It's a super fun and hip place, and we're really excited for you guys to try them out.